He's gonna put it right inside. Do you need help? So when do you think the last time this wood stove saw fire?
Probably 50 years ago.
Wow. Look!
Taught you fire safety.
All right, the door closed. There's smoke coming out the top. Don't judge us, this is a makeshift pipe for now.
It's what I had in the garage.
All right. I don't see any smoke coming out anywhere else.
It's still a small fire, just gotta cure the stuff and things.
Yeah, so we're just curing the fireplace or furnace cement that we put on the inside and the gasket rope that we put on the door, which took 2 tries. We didn't videotape that.
And the silicone and the paint.
Yes, so pretty much everything. So we start with a small fire and then we will slowly increase it until there is a rip-roaring flame. And we have chairs to enjoy. Might bring out some warm apple cider. There. All right. You could fit a really long log in there.
I would say.
There's the funny little gasket rope. What blows me away is it doesn't burn. Oh. Okay, we're just increasing the fire a little bit. Gotta say, we couldn't have picked a better day. This is gorgeous out here right now. So just in case you were wondering, it stinks pretty bad. Between the furnace cement and the sealer and the paint and the gasket glue, I am so glad we did this outside because it stinks bad. So heads up, do not light it up in your living room if you can avoid that. Maybe take it outside for a little outdoor bonfire. All right, little more wood. So you can see the furnace cement in there. If you can see it, I don't think so. You can see how big the fire is. But as the stove started to get really hot, it started to smoke from everywhere. Not through the cracks, but just off the walls. So that's the paint, I think, is kind of burning off. I hope. I don't know if you can see it in the video. See it, that just the walls are kind of, looks like they're steaming. So it got hotter and the gasket started to fall, foam. If anybody has any advice on this, let us know. I don't really feel like the gasket's doing a whole lot anyways, so I think it's like gross and foamy, but it's falling. Definitely becoming a hot fire now. Okay, so the fire is kicking it, and now we're gonna see if we can boil water in the outdoors in the winter. So we're gonna time it, see if it'll come to a boil. And we poured wine.
Cheers.
So we started the boiling test at 535. Look at that. This thing's spitting more. Ugh. only been 6 minutes and it is steaming. All right, the sun's going down. We're letting the fire burn out. It's been 40 minutes. We've got lots of steam, but that's about it. It's also quite chilly out. So I don't think you can boil water in the winter. You can warm water in the winter. Kind of looks like a little hot tub. Speaking of hot tub, Jack, we need a off-grid solar heated hot tub.
Wood fire.
And we also need
A pool heater.
a pool heater. Watch for these projects coming soon. All right, so there it is. We have finished our wood stove.